I think I just found the AI platform that might replace every tool you're using right now. And nope, it's not ChatGPT. It is Chat LLM by Abacus AI. Think ChatGPT, but on steroids. With this one tool, you are getting access to top LLMs, video and image generation, powerful coding agent, and general tasks. And the crazy part, you will get all that for just $10 a month. Yep, you heard me right. In this video, I'm going to walk you guys through how I'm using it, plus extra top features you might consider trying it out. Link will be in the description below to follow along and see exactly how it works. Alright guys, let's get started. When you type in chatllm.abacus.ai, it will take you to this window. When you go to the top right corner, you can sign in using your email. It will take you to this clean interface. On the top, when you click on the drop-down menu, you can find all the LLMs that comes with it. So you can see it comes with GPT-5, Cloud, Grok, Nano Banana, and many more when you scroll down. If you already know which LLM you want to work with, you can select it right from this side. But if you're not sure, that's when Route LLM comes in. It will choose the best model based on your prompt. We'll get to that later on. Then when you look at it down here, we have few shortcuts on that side. Then we have the chat box where you're going to input your prompt. And when you look down, we have more options lying over here. We're going to talk more on that too. When you go to the top left, we have project and also our chat history. And when you go down here, we have more tools like the deep agent. We'll cover that shortly. Now let me show you guys few ways I'm using this AI platform. First, I use it for general tasks. So now I'm going to drop my prompt in this very chat box. Write me a 10-second intro for a YouTube video about AI tools in 2025. Then at the top, I'm going to select Route LLM. I want it to select the best model for this. Then I can click on send. When you look at it, it's selected Gemini 2.5 Flash. Then when you look down here, we have regenerate using this model. So if you want to generate it again using different models, you can select right from this side. Based on this very script, most of the time Cloud works perfect, so I'm going to select that and it's going to regenerate and write it again for me. Also remember, if you know exactly which LLM you want to use, you can select it from the top before dropping your prompt in the chat box. So when you look, this is what Cloud came out with. Always come out clean. And the best part is Chat LLM allows you to test models without switching tabs or paying for different models. From here, I can do a follow-up with a prompt. I can ask it to do, that's great, can you give me top 5 of the AI tools, and click on send. And once again, because I have Route LLM selected, it's going to select the best model that it thinks works with this script. So when you look, it still went with Gemini 2.5. I'm still not really happy with Gemini, so I'm going to go with Cloud, select that, and it's going to regenerate that nice and clean. This already is worth the price you pay for, but guess what? It doesn't end there. And that leads us to the next feature, image generation. As a video editor, I use this feature all the time in my workflow. On Abacus interface, click on image, it's going to bring you this window. Then on the model, click on the drop-down menu, it will bring you all the models it comes with. So when you look, we have GPT image, Nano Banana, which is great, Imagine, which is also really great, Midjourney down here, and also Flux. I like using Flux Pro a lot. I'm going to select that. Then with the number of images, I'll go for 2 options. You can go all the way with 4 just to get more options. Then with the prompt, I'm gonna drop this very prompt on this side, a lonely elderly man sitting on the park bench at night. Then when you scroll down, I'm gonna leave this on and turn this also off. This, if you want to use image as your prompt, you can go with that. I'm gonna leave it just like that. Then with the aspect ratio, I want to use it for YouTube most of the time, so I'm gonna select 16:9 and then click on generate. These are the 2 options it was able to generate. When you look at it, very clean. That's why I like using Flux Pro when it comes to images. Now let's take this a bit further. We're going to click on this pen tool. It's going to be sitting right at the top. It will bring you to this very window. So with this image, I want to add more to it. So I'm going to click on the brush. Then I can increase the size of the brush right on this side. Then on this side, I just want to paint. This is where I want to do the changes. Then I'm going to drop my prompt on that side. I want to add blackbird flying, then click on send. And as you can see, it was able to generate this, adding the birds. You can play around this and add so many objects to your images. The next feature that I use is the video generation. This is a must-have tool as a video editor. So this time around, we're going to click on more, and when you look at it, it has more features sitting on that side. The one we're going to go for is video gen. Click on that. It's going to bring you this window. Then on the model, when you click on the drop-down menu, you can see all the models that it comes with. Hello is really great. Also, Clink AI, that's the one I use a lot. And when you look down here, we have Runway and View. Those are all great. So we're going to go for Clink AI 1.6. Just click on that. And then the model, I'm going to go for Pro. Then on this side, I'm going to upload an image I want to use. Just click on that. I'm going to use this very image of me. Just click on Upload. Then with the prompt on the chat box, I'm going to input this very prompt. I want to have fun with it, with something about fire. Then when you scroll down, we have all these options you want to go with. With this, I'm going to leave everything as it is. Aspect ratio, I want it to be for YouTube format, so I'll go with 16:9. Duration, if you want 10 seconds, you can go for that. I'll go with 5 seconds. Then click on generate. And right there, when you look on the screen, you can see what it was able to generate. Pretty easy and clean when you use Clink AI. Now, the feature that I love using a lot is the Humanize. I use this feature when I'm writing an email, blog post, or newsletters. The Humanize feature helps make your text more human. This is how it works. Click on more, then click on Humanize. On this window, you can select one of them. You can go for AI detector proof. I'm going to leave it on automatic. If you want to add additional instructions, you can add it right on this side. I'm going to leave it empty, then click on apply. Right there, when you look at this icon, it shows that we've turned on the Humanize feature. Now I can type in my prompt. Write a short blog post about motion graphics in CapCut. This is something I'm going to send it to as a newsletter. Then I'll click on send. So right there, it's going to create a nice blog post that I can use for my newsletters too. When you text this on an AI detector, the score normally comes out pretty low. Now, this is when things get really exciting. You can access Deep Agent. Deep Agent is part of Chat LLM and it comes with the same subscription. And this AI agent can literally do everything. You can create website, apps, presentations, technical reports, AI apps, and much more. You will find it on the left lower corner. Just click on that. It's going to take you to this very window. On the top, we have categories. You can click and it's going to take you right there. Let's go back to featured. Then down here, these are some examples done by some people. Click on that. It's going to bring you this window. You can play and see exactly how they went about it doing it. Also, when you click on try it, it's going to act like template that you can use. But in this example, I'm going to generate my own. So I'm going to cancel this and I'm going to type in my prompt on this very side. Create a landing page for my CapCut course, which is already going on if you care to know, and add a call to action to it. Then I'm going to click on send. It's going to ask me some few questions for me to answer. I'll type in my answers on this very side and click on send. Deep Agent is going to think for a while and also plan on how it's going to execute this. I'm not into coding, but when you look at it live, you can see it's generating the codes and it's going to generate the landing page right live. It is ready. It created this nicely. When I scroll around, you can see what it does. This is really clean. It went with the colors, my color code scheme that I gave it. When you scroll down, just look at how clean this is. So when I hover around the stats now, let's click and see how it looks like. When I click on that, it's going to take us to a checkout page that you can input. This is really clean. Let me go back to the course. Also, top here, you can check exactly how it's going to look like on mobile view or on a desktop view. From here, you can deploy it and make it available for users to find it. Now, let me show you briefly top extra features that comes with Chat LLM that you might consider trying it out. 1. Text to speech. You can convert your text to speech using models like Level Labs. So with that, click on more and select text to speech. It's going to bring you this window. So I'm going to select Level Labs with this model. On this side, I'm going to go for Level Labs V3. With a voice, I'm going to go for a male voice. So I'm going to scroll down. I'll go with Will, select that. Then with the script, I'm going to input this very script and click on generate. Now let's listen to how it sounds like.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it.
From here, you can click on the download button to download it to your PC. 2. Invite teams. There's no friction working in teams. You can manage your team easily and also share conversations with them. 3. Enterprise connectors. You can also connect your internal systems, including Slack, Team, Google Drive, and OneDrive to create custom chatbots and AI agents using custom data. 4. Web search. You can easily search the web and get up-to-date information on any topic. 5. Custom instructions. You can instruct the bot more information about yourself and your goals, so Chat LLM can provide you tailored responses. And finally, one of my favorite features is the code playground. You can generate and run code for self-contained applications that will display the results alongside your chat. Let me show you how easily it works. Click on code, then I'm going to instruct it to create a simple fitness routine application for men. From here, I'll click on send. This is going to generate the code and also display the results alongside your chat. It is ready. When you look, it was able to generate this simple clean app. When you click on view details, it's going to take you right to this side. Let me go back to routines. Also, when you click on progress, it's going to take you to a next page that you can find all your progress there. This is really clean. Now let's talk about the pricing. Chat LLM costs $10 a month per user. You will get 20,000 credits to spend on chat, images, and videos. For most people like me, $10 plan is enough. So here's my final take. If you're already using all these models or even one or two of these models, you got to try this out. Honestly, it's 100% worth it. Chat LLM is cheaper than paying for each LLM separately, and it's only $10 a month. You can visit chatllm.abacus.ai or click the link in the description. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.